All right, I'm setting up garage door opener to my car. It's a Lexus model. So I'm gonna press, first of all, to erase, you press the buttons on the bottom of your mirror, the first and the last one, you press them together until you get green. All right, so after you do that, you have your garage door opener here, and you press on the button that is set up to open and close the garage, and simultaneously with the button that you want to set up. All right, so I'm pressing this and pressing this simultaneously until you get the green blink. All right, so at this point I need to go to my garage door opener and press on the line button. All right, 1 second. All right, so now I'm gonna press on the yellow. That's the model. It's a Craftsman model, and my learn button is yellow, but on some it's orange. So I'm gonna press it and notice it's lighting up. So I gotta go to my car within 30 seconds. Press on it. All right, it's blinking. Press on it again. There we go. It's working. Perfect. Again, I'm gonna open it. Yay, it's working. All right, there we go.